Welcome to the AutoCAD Beginner series. Right now you probably use a mobile phone every day. But what if you wanted to draw the exact shape and size of your mobile phone, create accurate drawings of real objects like phone, tablets, machines, buildings and industrial equipments. Let's assume your phone is 6-inch height and sidewise 3 inches. Now just click on the line and click again on the screen. Now click wherever you like to shape of your mobile. Try to draw a mobile. You draw some lines and rectangles. Okay, it's done. But wait, does it look exactly like your phone? Probably not. It looks messy, the size may be wrong. Before starting any drawing, we need to set up AutoCAD properly. For example, do you want your drawing in millimeters, inches or feet? These basic settings are important. At first, you have to type UN and press enter in your AutoCAD. This screen should appear. After that, click here. You will see the length type options like architectural, decimal, engineering, fractional and scientific. We'll leave it as it is, decimal, okay? Angle type. Also leave it as it is. Now comes precision. What is precision? It simply means how accurate your value will be while drawing. After the decimal point, how many digits will be counted? For now, just leave it as it is. Default settings are fine. We will change advanced settings later when we need it. Now comes the important part. Whether you want to make your drawing in millimeter, inches or feet. After clicking here, many options will appear. As we discussed earlier using the mobile example, now go and select the inch option. Click on inches. This means your entire drawing will be now based on inch units. After that, just press OK. Now your AutoCAD is properly set according to your unit system and you are ready to start accurate drawing. For practice, let's quickly go through the steps again so you don't forget them. First step, set units properly. Your entire drawing can become wrong if this settings is incorrect. So type UN and press enter. A window will open. Type decimal, intersection scale, millimeters or inches depending on your requirement. First click line. Click on the screen, then move your mouse towards the right side. Now type 3 and press enter. This will create a 3-inch line. Next move your mouse downwards for the height. Type 6 and click. Now a 6-inch line will appear. Move your mouse to the left side, type 3. Move your mouse upwards and click on the first starting point to close the shape. Now let's check. Is it perfect or not? For checking accuracy, we use a tool called dimension. So type DIM on the keyboard and press enter. Here, I'm using some techniques and commands just for demonstration. Every command and techniques will be explained in detail in separate videos, so don't worry. For now, we're just checking the dimensions. Click the first point and then the second point on the side. It shows 3 inches. Now click the bottom side. It shows 6 inches. So yes, our drawing is accurate and perfect. This was the first and most important setting, the unit setting in AutoCAD. I would recommend writing down these settings or keeping track of your learning because strong basics are very important for professional CAD drafting. In the next video, we will learn the remaining 4 basic settings that every beginner should know before starting professional drawing. Thanks for watching.